Hi, I'm Noah, and today we're going to learn how to join Yahoo Internet Service. What we mean by Yahoo Internet Service is basically all the things that Yahoo offers for which you need to be a signed-up member, meaning email, Yahoo Messenger, and other things like Yahoo Answers and personals which you can post online. Joining the Yahoo Internet Service will give you access to lots of member-only applications like Yahoo Answers or Yahoo Personals. When you join, you'll also get access to a Yahoo email address and tools like Yahoo Messenger. Now, to join the internet service, it's really quite simple. All you have to do is navigate to the yahoo.com homepage, and once you're there, just find the sign up link on the right hand side of the screen and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter some information about yourself, like your name, gender, and then also you'll have to select an ID, which will be your email address, and a password. Now, you might have to do some searching to find a good ID because a lot of them will already be taken. So just remember, the main thing about choosing one is that you should pick something that will be easy for others to remember so that they won't mistake your email address when they send you an email. Finally, you can enter an alternate email and a security question in case you ever forget your password and need to retrieve it. Once you're done with all this, you'll just have to enter a pictogram, which is basically just some letters in a kind of pictorial image, which you have to enter to make sure that you're a real human being and not just some computer program registering lots of spam email addresses. Then just click the box indicating that you agree to the terms of service and Yahoo's privacy policy, and then click the Create My Account button. And that's it. You're signed up for the Yahoo Internet Service.